So you will need your scissors for cutting, you will need your beads. So here I'm using two different colors, white and pink, and of course your thread. Okay, so we'll start by making a ring of 6. So I'll pick 6 beads, string them on my thread like I'm showing it in the video, and then so here is my 6. I'll cross the last bead, which is the 6th bead. I'll cross it, and this is what we have for the first round. So the second round, I'll pick 5 beads, fix it on my left thread. Okay, so I'm going to fix all the 5 beads on my left thread. Then I'll cross the 5th bead as shown in this video, and then next I am going to enter the next bead with my right thread. Okay, so as you've seen, I enter the next bead on your right with the right fishing line, and then you pick 4. You cross the 4th bead, so this very step where you enter 1 and then you pick 4, we are going to repeat it for 4 times. So this is 1, so we are going to do the second one. You enter 1, you pick 4, so we are making rings of 6, and so we already have 2 on the thread, so we need 4 to make it 6. That is why. So I'll pick my 4, and then I'll cross the 4th bead. So like I said, we're going to repeat this 4 times. So this is the second one, and then this the third one. Enter 1, you pick 4, okay, and so the last one, you enter the next bead on your right, and then you pick 4. So we started with 6, we moved on to 5, and then we started entering the bead. So you enter 1, you pick 4. For that very step, we are doing 4 times of it. Okay, and then the very last one, you enter these 2 beads that I am pointing at. Okay, that means we are closing that round. So you enter those beads, and then you pick 3 to make that circle 6, because we already have 3 on the line or on the thread, so we need 3 more to make it 6. Okay, and our round 2 is complete. Okay, so we have first and the second round. So the third round, you enter the next bead on your right with your right fishing line, and then you pick 4 to make it 6. So with this round, which is the last round that we are going to do with this tutorial, we are going to be making rings of 6 and 5 in turns. Okay, so this very one that we are doing right now is a ring of 6. So next I will enter the next bead on my right. So I've been entering the beads with the right fishing line. Okay, so note that. And then after crossing each bead, the fishing line changes, so just make sure you enter the bead with the one in your right hand. Okay, so back to what I was saying. So this very ring that we are making is made up of 5 beads. So the first one was 6, and then this is 5. So next I will enter the next 2 beads on my right. Okay, and then I will pick 3 to make it 6. So we made the first circle 6, the second 5, and we're making this one 6. Okay, and so we are going to be making 5 next. Okay, so you enter the next bead. So we have 2 there on the thread, so you just need 3 more to make that circle 5. Hope you've understood to this part. Please subscribe to my channel. If you watch this video and you don't subscribe, you wanna help me, okay? So help me like I'm also helping you. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And then also like, comment, and share. Okay, so now we're going to make ring of 6, so I'll pick 3 more, 3 beads, and then you cross the third bead. So it's going to continue like this. Okay, so 6 5 6 5 6, so the next one will be 5, so you continue to get here. All right, so this is it. Okay, sorry for the blockage. This is it. And then I'm going to close this circle or this round up, so I will enter the next 2 beads, and then you can see that we have 6 circles at each end, so the middle one is supposed to be 5. So I'll just pick 2 beads and then I'll cross the second bead. Okay, and this is all that we need. This is all that we need. So you will need 2 of this. You will need 2 of this. So I already made the other one off camera. So the next thing we need is the main body, which is this martin. So I made it off camera because I believe I have so many videos on it. So the shortest part is made up of 12 bead count, and the longest part is 26 bead count. Okay, so you can change it or customize it to your preference. Yeah, something like that. So you can change the size as you want. That's what I'm trying to say. So here I am folding the first 2 lines of the martin, okay, to create that design. If you had studied or watched the video, the very first video showing the bag we are going to make, if you have watched it very carefully, you will see or you understand what we are doing. So I'll just fold the 2 lines over like this, and then I'm going to join it to the main piece. Okay, so I'm going to close this gap here. At this point it was worrying me. So I'm going to close this gap here by joining it with 1 bead. Okay, so please, while you're watching this part, if you want me to do a private tutorial for you, I am very much available. I am very much available for you. So you can send me a message via WhatsApp. My number is in the description box below. Yeah, you can chat me up. And I also appreciate those of you who have been reaching out to me on WhatsApp, checking up on me. I am very grateful. With that, I can definitely and confidently say that I am indeed building a community here. And so I have a WhatsApp community. I will leave the link in the description as well, so you can join it up, and then we communicate more easily from there. So I am done. So this is how it looks like. So I did it at both ends, and so it's going to serve as a handle. So next we're going to join the circular parts to it. That's the sides. We're going to join it to the main piece. Okay, if you have difficulty, or if you're a beginner, you want to know how I made the bead, the martin, you can let me know, okay, in the comment section or via WhatsApp, and I will teach you how to do it. Okay, yeah, I'll probably do a separate video for that, so let me know. Okay, right, so I'm going to join it not the pink line, but on this very line, the white line I am pointing at. Okay, so we can have the pink line outside it, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and join it up. Kindly watch it very carefully while we go back to our conversation. Okay, yes, so I also have a second channel, but on that channel I teach crocheting, crocheting. Which one is correct? Okay, let me know in the comment section. Let me know, let me hear from you. Crocheting or crocheting, let me know. Yeah, so I do tutorial videos on crocheting or crocheting on that video. Okay, so I would leave that will be the third link in the description box. The name of the channel is Maze Crochet, just like this one is Maze Beadcraft. The other one is Maze Crochet. Maze Crochet. Yeah, and then please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you can have two skills at your fingertips while you're learning bead, you're learning crocheting as well. Okay, so yeah, do that, and then I give you my words. Yeah, I give you my words. You're going to earn from that, because if I tell you the amount of money I'm earning from learning both skills, you won't believe it. So kindly do that. Subscribe to that channel, Maze Crochet, Maze Crochet. Okay, and then yeah, we will meet there as well. So this is it after I have joined the circular part away. Okay, this is it. So I am going to join the other side as well. Okay, I'm going to join the other side as well, and I will come back to show you the final result. Okay, and here we are. So you see what I was talking about, why we left the pink line. You see how it's showing outside it. Yes, that is what we wanted to achieve, and we achieved it. See you in my next video.